Well, hi my friends, this is Jay, and this is Jay's Knit and Purl Jam. And tonight, I just want to get on camera to come and give you a special birthday invite to celebrate my, oh my word, number 74. My birthday number 74. And I thought, what better way than to just, well, first of all, I want to get on camera and let you see I'm still here. But what better way than to come and just, I don't know, have just a few minutes to chat with my friends and just let you know what I'm thinking about, not only at this age, but at this season of my life. And, you know, what do I want for my birthday? That's what everybody asks me. Jay, what do you want for your birthday? Well, really, I can't think of anything. I don't need anything really in the natural. I'm okay. Everything's fine. We made it through the year. And like I said, this is number 74. So I know 75 is supposed to be like your big number to celebrate. But look, I'm going with 74. So I just thought I'd come on and just make a special invite because I have something that I want to just share and ask anyone who's a member of my YouTube family, you're a friend, you're a fan, you're a follower, you're one of my supporters. I wanted to just come on and just let you know what I'm thinking of how to, but not only about my channel, but what I want, you know, how I want to grow it, taking some ideas and suggestions that you have sent me. I just met a new lady, Kathy from South Africa. She sent me a beautiful email, and she did several of my designs. And I was going to share that, but I'm going to wait and share she said it was all right if I shared her email with her pictures when I do one of my upcoming friendship albums. So thank you so much, Kathy, for not only joining my YouTube channel, but then actually doing some of my designs too. It means so much. So that brings me to Jay, what do you really want for your birthday? And I thought about it, and all of a sudden I realized I just want to meet more friends. I just want my channel to grow. I want to be able to, like I say, this is number 74, and you know, I have a lot more things that I want to share, and I'm trying to work them as fast as I can, people. In fact, right after this, yes, I'm wearing something new. I have a finish. You'll get the tutorial for this. But I just wanted to do this little chat separate. And like I said, that's why we're on YouTube. To meet new friends, to grow our fan base, and to share. To share what's in our heart and in our mind, and encourage people. Just, you know, that's one thing I know. And I see that so many of the people that I watch on YouTube, they have June birthdays too. In fact, I was going to say, you know, maybe give a few shout outs, but then I realized there's so many I'd miss somebody and then I'd feel bad. So happy birthday to everyone who's celebrating a birthday in June. We have cake. So, but that is the point, to just to grow and to enlarge your fellowship, but main thing is to encourage, to share, and just, I don't know, just to do something good, just to leave something that you feel is just good and from your heart. So for my birthday wish, now I'm just speaking to people that follow me and know me by my spirit now. You followed me enough. You know who I am. You know how I think. You know, you see the kind of things I like to design. It may not be, real trendy, but I enjoy, my own little style. I'm kind of in my own little lane. I kind of found that I'd be better if I just catered to us, maybe more of the senior type, which is fine, or more seasoned. So, but even at that, I still want to grow. So I'm going to ask all of you who follow me, if you would look in your circle of friends, well, really, in your circle of friends and outside of your circle of friends, would you share my channel, my YouTube channel? You've watched me long enough. You know the kind of content I produce. You know the kind of things. And maybe you have friends that have never seen me. I'm not on other platforms, so I don't have that, to add to my list. I'm just here on YouTube. If you would share my YouTube channel, ask them to come over, and if they like what they see, to subscribe to my channel, to give me some thumbs up. Of course, I would love to have a birthday, a birthday wish from them. And of course, when you send me your birthday wish, Jay, I want to wish you a happy birthday, and I told 5 of my friends about your channel. Yay! Jay, I want to wish you a happy birthday, and I ran into 4 people that I told about your channel, and I gave them the channel site and asked them to come over and check you out, and asked them to give me some thumbs up and subscribe. And I think that would just be to the moon and back for me. I just like meeting people, and I just want to increase. I want to grow. I don't want 74 to be like the cap, okay, that's it, Jay. It goes down from here. No, I want it to continue to grow up, and I want to continue to produce. Just like I said, I'm wearing a finish. This will be in the next tutorial. I thought I'm going to do something I haven't crocheted in a while. So I have this pretty crochet sweater, and I want to share it with as many people as I can. So for my birthday wish, this is 2021. This is birthday number 74. Who knew? Back when I remember, it's amazing. I remember driving to work crying, about something. Who knows? It probably wasn't worth the tears, but, back in the day, everything was a drama. If I had just known, why are you crying? Why are you worried about your future? At 74, you're going to be on YouTube. Just think of how I could have just had more excitement in my life, not worrying about things. If I had just could have seen what was in store for me. And I want to keep it going. So for my birthday wish, like I said, would you please look in your circle of friends, anyone you know, help me to grow my channel, help people to come over, look at the things that I share, give me some input, give me some ideas of things you'd like for us to do this year. What do you have in mind? I want to, we're working out of the stitch books. I've got several more to do. So I'm always looking for input. And that will help me grow, which in turn, I can share it with you, and then we can grow together. So I just wanted to come on and that is my birthday wish. Just real simple. Just to meet more of you. So, I think that I don't know, I have a cute idea of some things that I want to, that I'm thinking about for this, being 74. And we'll just, as if they come to fruition, then I'll just share more with you. And of course, June is my birthday month, so I'm celebrating all month. So I'm asking you to just do this all month. Don't just do it just because you see this one video. Just all month. Anyone that you meet or you come in contact with them, let them know about our fun place over here. Invite them over, and I'd love to meet them. So this is Jay, and this is Jay's Knit and Purl Jam, and I have one more little point before I leave. I'm a person that likes, my name is Purl Jam, Jam. And a lot of times, I just need, sometimes all it takes is a little music to lift my spirits about something. So I'm sitting, true story, real quick, I'm sitting at the edge of my bed. My husband was up front somewhere, but I was just sitting there getting ready to go to bed, and I was just trying to be quiet. How you quieten yourself down. I was sitting there, and I really was just thinking, trying to think of how I was going to, maybe do this video or work on, a project or what I was thinking of. And out of the blue, a song came to my mind, and I just started quietly humming. So I'm thinking, how did that happen, that this particular song in the middle of the night just come into my mind and into my heart, and I started singing, but it was the right song. So I thought, I'm going to share it with my friends, because like I say, you know me now. I enjoy having fun, and I enjoy lifting your spirits, and I want to share with you. So if you would go down in the comment section, you're going to see a link to a video. So I want you to go over and listen to that song and see if it lifts you up or inspires you too. It's a fun song. I think you'll enjoy it, and I hope you kind of see the deep meaning of it, because it was the right song at the right time to encourage me to stay the course so that I can keep encouraging you. And that's my birthday wish. So this is Jay, and I will see you shortly with the tutorial. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You're the best. Bye-bye.